Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple flower embroidery border for fabric edges, clothes, and dresses. This is the reference sketch I used for this embroidery design. The dimensions shown here are what I followed, but feel free to adjust them to suit your project. I'll guide you step by step through the stitching process, making it easy for beginners to follow along. And here's the final result, a simple yet elegant embroidery border that can enhance any fabric edge beautifully. Try it out and make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more embroidery ideas. Happy stitching!